playing around delivering a dock. I picked up a hitchhiker, Brennan TWL. I'm gonna deliver this dock. About another quarter mile left to go. Alright, dock's in its location. I forgot my blocks for my cleats. There's an 8x20. Being this pylon is crooked and a little further out, this is where the customer wanted it. So she had 20 foot of length between this pylon and the end. Being that pylon is in the wrong place, I have a big gap right here. So we're gonna put a 4x4 post right here. And I need to go get a block, put a cleat block like this, make my cleats. I had them made already, but I forgot to put in the boat on the way over here. So I'm gonna go home, grab that block, install it right here. It's probably gonna put it on top of this 2x6 beam right here. Yeah, that way. So this line pulling this way, and it's gonna back it up, and this line's gonna have a slight angle on it. That will be secure with 3 lines. And I may install the 4th cleat right here just because. Alright, let me go pick up the boat and come back in the truck. Very short trip. The boat launch is just right there. All right. She is secured. And, this job is just about complete. Another 8x20 stagger deck board. Sitting on 12 barrels. I can hold over a ton, a little over a ton, just to get it to half draft. I worked with what I had, the existing pylons. And I may or may not come drive a 4x4 right here in this one. Yeah, she looks nice in the water. Another 8x20 complete.